Hey boys and girls, so this week we have estimated 3 times. So we're going to take these bags and we're going to count out all of the red bears on one 10 frame card and the blue bears on another. And we're going to see how many red bears we have, how many blue bears we have, how many we have all together, and which is more and less. Alright, so let's take all our bears out. So our first bag had how many bears? 2 red. So we had 2 red bears on the first day. And how many blue bears? 1, 2, 3. 3 blue bears. Okay. And on the next day, do you remember how many bears we had? We had 3 red bears and 3 blue bears. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So we're going to put all of our red bears together and all of our blue bears together. And then our last bag, do you remember what we had yesterday? We had 7. We had 2 red bears and we had 5 blue bears. Alright, so let's see how many bears we had all together. So let's count our red bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many red bears all together? 7. Now we're going to count the blue bears. So I actually don't have enough squares, so we're going to keep this one by himself. Ready? We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many blue bears all together? 11. We'll put him off here to the side. So if I have 11 blue bears and 7 red bears, how many more? Which color is more? Blue or red? Blue. There are more blue bears. Now, if there are 7 red bears and 11 blue bears, how many more blue bears? So we need to match up a red bear to the blue bears, right? So we have 1, 2, 3 without any, 4 without any red bears. So there are 4 more blue bears than red bears. Alright guys, great job estimating this week, comparing objects. Remember when you're looking at stuff at home, if you have your little bears at home, you can put more and less and compare. You can line them up to see if you have green and yellow bears. Maybe you have 3 yellow bears and 2 green bears. Line them up, pair them up, and see which has more, which has less, just like we did here on our base 10 chart.